Hi, my name is Catherine Moravec, Senior Water Conservation Specialist with Colorado Springs Utilities, and we want you to be water-wise. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a water-wise, low-maintenance landscape for your home. A low-maintenance landscape can help you create a yard that you love without burying you in yard work. Here are a few tips to get you started. Keep the size of your lawn to 1,000 square feet or less to minimize weekly mowing and year-round care. Renovate bare soil, weedy, or unplanted areas with plant beds with one-touch plants. Those are the kind of plants that you only have to cut back once a year. Wood mulch suppresses weeds better than rock. We live in a semi-arid climate, so consider covering large areas with a low-maintenance grass. We have a lot of resources to help you choose the best option and guidelines for installing it. Visit the Conservation and Environmental Center or csu.org for more water-wise tips.